Mindset of success. There is a lot of information on the web on how to create your own products, but not many of these sources provide a clear and concise step-by-step plan so that you can get your product out there and making money in the shortest time possible. This is all the information you need. Stop buying more ebooks on how to create digital products. The truth is, you have this information in this guide. It's time for you to take action. I am confident if you follow the steps within this course and take action, you will have your very own killer product that will bring in sales for years to come. The hardest thing I've found, and probably many other people find, when they get started with any aspect of internet marketing is all of the hard work it involves. You have probably come across the countless websites out there that promise untold riches for 5 minutes work. Don't get me wrong, this is indeed possible, but in my experience, not when you are getting started. It is indeed a reality if you have a list of 3,000 responsive buyers that you can send out an email that will make you thousands of dollars within a few days. Although to start off, you need to create that product and build that list. And unfortunately, that will require some good old-fashioned research, action, and elbow grease. Mindset is so important for your success. Why is it this ebook can get handed to 2 people? One person does nothing, the ebook gathers digital dust on their hard drive. The other uses this exact information, takes massive action, learns, improves, and gets better, and creates a 6- or 7-figure online business with digital products. They both had the same information. However, the person who has success had the right mindset. I will give you the answer to the #1 question that stops people taking action or makes them give up in my experience. I know this question comes up and can be very hard to overcome because I have asked myself the same question plenty of times when I was getting started with internet marketing. Here is the question or questions I found myself asking when I was getting started. Is this going to work? Is all this work worth it? Will my product sell? These are the 3 main questions that I found myself asking when I was creating my own product. Well, take it from me. The answer to all these questions is yes, it really does work. If you follow the steps within this course, you will see that creating digital products to sell does not have some secret formula. All you have to do is see things through to the end, have the ability to follow a series of steps, and probably most important, take action. Whether it takes you 5 days or 5 weeks to follow these steps, see them through to the end, and I guarantee you will achieve success online. Once you create your own product, and once that is pulling in money, you can do the same thing over and over to build a digital product empire.